I didn't think that my 2018 would be as great as I thought it would be until I reviewed the videos I uploaded in this platform. There are two things that stood out. First is travel, and the second is the new house. We'll talk of the new house first. If somebody told me when I was 25 that I'd have my own house before I turned 30, I would be laughing at his face and telling him that he's a liar. But as fate would have it, she gave me Marge, the angel that would encourage me to get one for our own. That's my house right there. After so many months, I can live in my house now. Keychain. Second, the traveling. First of all, I spent the 2017 New Year's Eve here in Singapore, and I'm about to do the same tonight. Last year though was a bit disappointing because 30 minutes before midnight it rained hard and we didn't see the full glory of the fireworks display in Marina Bay. In February, we went to Baguio, Marge and I, for the first time as husband and wife. Second day in Baguio. Of course, we went there for the PMA alumni homecoming of my dad. But I think it's our fourth time in Baguio together that Marge has been going with my family. I made the best video in this channel on March. It was my surprise to her. That was in celebration of our 6th anniversary as a couple together.
She's here. I'll give you more inside. This one now.
In May, we decided to go to Bali, Indonesia to celebrate her birthday. Several things happened in June. First was the inauguration of the new terminal. Second was my family went to Singapore, and then after that we went to Kuala Lumpur for a day to explore KL. And then on my 30th birthday, we went to Langkawi. Thank you. And then I went back here in August because I couldn't bear not to see her for 2 months, seeing that I was not able to come here on July because there was no specific occasion. In September, Marge surprised me. She went to the Philippines, she went to Cebu, she went home in time for the birthdays of my dad and her mom on September 9th.
Sir, billing niyo is kailan, sir? Ibilang yaw yung skin ng tangang ba? Nagawas. Kanawa lang. Umot namin yung tangang ito.
Nagtawagan. Ang lamig.
It was also on this month that we discovered or we confirmed that we're gonna have a baby. We took some photos of the more Instagrammable places here in Singapore for our first anniversary on October. It was this month that I bought this camera, the Canon 600D. And now, to celebrate Christmas and New Year, I'm back here to celebrate it with Marge, the reason why I was able to travel many places. She's the reason why I was able to buy a house. She's the reason why I'm able to do the things that I do. She's the reason why I'm here right now.